even if it looks graceful and really very stunningly gorgeous, draping a net sari could be quite tricky sometimes. Hi my beauties and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you all how you can go ahead and drape all around you perfectly all your net saris. I hope you all will enjoy this video, and if you people do, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already, and don't forget to share this video with those whom you think would this video be helpful for. So just go ahead and enjoy, and do let me know in the comments below what other videos you people want me to go ahead and film with. Let's get started. For draping a net sari, you need a satin petticoat and a designer bra blouse that matches the sari. Go ahead with the normal drape. Just make sure that you do go ahead and tuck in the net of the sari or the sari. Start tucking it in from your right hand side and take an entire round of it and bring it once again towards your right hand side, and then tuck all around each and every single thing. Then go ahead and find the fancy end of the sari, which is known as the pallu of the sari, and pleat it vertically, not horizontally but vertically. Go ahead and pleat it, and then do place it, like revolve it all around your body in an anti-clockwise, or sorry, in a clockwise direction, and just place it over your left hand side shoulder. Then you want to go ahead and grab the border of the sari. So you have to go which is on the above or on the top side, and you want to go ahead and place that border right underneath your navel and pin it right there. This would give your waist an accentuated look, and it would make you look really very slimmer than with what you actually are. Then you want to go ahead and work with the pleats of the sari. Now this is going to be the trickier part, because pleating a net sari is really tough, because it just slips off the hands. So you need a little bit of a practice, guys. So just go ahead, keep patience, do practice, and then keep on just trying to go ahead and pleat it appropriately. First pleat is supposed to be a little bit bigger than the rest of the pleats. That is something that I always keep on telling you guys. Once you have all the pleats in your hand, just go ahead and grab the pleats from where you want to tuck the sari right inside your navel, or inside your petticoat underneath your navel, I'm sorry. Grab all the pleats right there, and then go ahead and just insert the entire residual cloth inside your petticoat, right, and it should be right underneath your navel. Then if you don't have any help, you can go ahead and do arrange all the pleats like the way I'm showing you right over here. It's not always necessary to have a help. If you're wearing a sari by yourself, you can definitely wear it. Then going ahead towards the pallu, as I'm going to show you guys over here. When it comes up to a net sari, it's useless to go ahead and pleat the pallu of the sari. You should always try and leave it open if you're comfortable with it. So that's what I'm showing you guys. It looks really very graceful if you leave it open. You just can go ahead and draw 2 to 3 pleats and just put it right somewhere around your knee, where your knee fold is, and just arrange the sari as beautifully as you possibly could. And that's pretty much it, you guys. This is the finished look. I hope you all have enjoyed it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay blessed and stay gorgeous. Bye.
Searching for higher ground, can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed.